I am Dr. Carlos Valdez, founder and director of mercadotecniayventas.com, marketing and sales. Our mission is to educate and inspire students, academics, and professionals in the areas of marketing and sales. We concentrate on generating innovative and practical content to help you create value in your client's life, even and especially during the most difficult times. Every week, we publish content on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube, Apple Podcasts, and Spotify. And of course, in our website, mercadotecniayventas.com. Want more educational content? Visit our store, where 90% of our content is free, open access. You can also support us by purchasing our ebook, The Red Manual for Marketing and Sales Coordinators 2025, or our course, B2B Sales Leadership AI Tactics. Also, download our free reports, the 10 Key Trends for Marketing Directors 2025, the 10 Key Trends for Commercial Directors 2025, and our newest report and mini course, the AI in Marketing and Sales 2025. Alrighty, the title of today's video audio blog post of April 5th of 2025 is Marketing and Sales in Time of Crisis. The global economy is cyclical. Crises come and go. This is not the first and it will not be the last time that we face financial uncertainty. However, during these complex periods, the marketing and sales department play a more important role than ever. Companies that know how to adapt not only survive, they can emerge stronger. Today, I want to share some strategic and tactical recommendations to maintain and even strengthen your marketing and sales efforts in difficult times. So, what to do in time of crisis? 7 recommendations. Number 1, don't cut the marketing and sales budget too much. The most common mistake is shutting down activities, marketing and sales, when they are the most needed. I understand the need to optimize resources, but this is the moment to strengthen your presence, not to disappear. You may need to adjust your channels or tactics, but don't stop communicating, attracting, and selling. As the saying goes, you don't sell if you don't advertise. Number 2, readjust your goals and expectations. You cannot measure success using the same metrics as in a thriving market. Review your goals and adapt them to the new reality. Instead of focusing solely on short-term results, also measure the quality of your relationships, engagement with your community, and the trust you generate. Number 3, stay in constant contact with your clients. Visit your clients, call them, listen to them. Maybe they cannot buy from you today, but they will appreciate that you were there for them through thick and thin. Share insights, offer value, and stay present. This emotional connection will be key when good times return. Number 4, focus on generating value. The essence of marketing and sales is to generate value in the life of consumers. That should be your compass, even during turbulent times. Ask yourself, how can I help my client today? What information, product, service, or experience truly solves a current problem for them? Number 5, don't fall into a victim mentality. Attitude is everything. If everything is bad and you join the pity party, you will become paralyzed. During the pandemic, the companies that were already selling online, had mobile apps, and digital process actually grew even in the middle of the storm. They were ready to adapt in an agile way to the new reality. So visualize how you can create value today, support by technology. And talking about technology, number 6, leverage technology and artificial intelligence. Tools like ChatGPT, Zapier, ActiveCampaign, or Soho CRM can help you to automate repetitive tasks, personalize communication, and generate real-time reports. Use these technologies not as a replacement, but as a strategic assistance that give you more time to focus on what truly matters, your clients. And number 7, strengthen your personal and company brand. In time of crisis, trust becomes the most valuable currency. People don't just buy products or services, they buy certainty, familiar faces, and brands that make them feel safe. This is the perfect time to position yourself as a thought leader in your industry. Key actions: post valuable content consistently in social media, LinkedIn, Instagram, TikTok, where your audience is, your target market is. Share lessons, real stories, and client experiences. Use video or voice to emotionally connect with your audience. Participate in webinars, interviews, and podcasts, your own or others. Human and empathetic brands stay in the minds and hearts of customers. When the storm passes, they will come to you, not just for what you sell, but for what you represent. In conclusion, after the storm comes the calm, but you must know how to navigate it through it. At mercadotecniaeventas.com, we firmly believe that the great opportunities are often born from crisis. Brands that manage to stay relevant, human, and close to their audiences during these times will be the ones leading when stability returns. That's why I invite you to keep learning, adapting, and growing with us. Visit our store to download our free resources and explore our courses that prepare you to lead with intelligence, creativity, and strategy. All right. And remember, in marketing and sales, we always need to generate value. Thank you for your time, and until next time.